Welcome to Goddard Adventure and night one of the all-wheel drive festival. We made it, the Passport made it, but unfortunately our tent poles did not. We usually camp together in the big field, but since I forgot the main tent poles, we decided to set up in the woods next to the field. Honestly, it worked out pretty well and felt pretty cool, improvised camping at its finest. Once camp was sorted, everyone headed over to the flex ramp. It was awesome watching the different rigs take turns.
You're still on the ground, brother. Keep going. Look at that. That's normal. You got close. He's got lockers. He could potentially go all the way up top. You're off the ground, sir.
It's important to remember that the point of the flex ramp is to test your flex, not to drive as high as possible. Many vehicles can actually flip themselves before they reach the top. The real goal is to drive up until your rear tire begins to lift off the ground. At that point, your distance up the ramp and your wheelbase will give you an RTI number. At past events, our Passport got an RTI score of 451, which isn't too bad for a mom van. We didn't take measurements this year, but unibody vehicles naturally have less flex than solid axle body-on-frame rigs. That's one of the trade-offs for the better on-road handling and slick condition stability that all-wheel drive provides.
It's a brand new car, I think, so I think he's babying it a bit. Oh, he's off there a little bit.
I think that's all further. Probably push a little more. It'll lock and you should push it forward. Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's a lot of bumper. It's a lot of bumper, a lot of flex.
It's all bumper.
That's terrible.
Whoa, don't stand there.
I know. It's all right.
That's a sweet bumper. Oh yeah. Whoa, buddy, look at that. That's sick.
He's got lots of clearance. No bumper issues there.
Yeah. That's looking good. Yeah, there it is.
You're not off the ground though.
Hey! Alright, that's better. That's really good.
If you want to see our lifted 2024 Honda Passport and other Hondas and all-wheel drive vehicles tackle the trails of Uwharrie National Forest, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video coming soon. In the meantime, there's only one thing left to do. Calm down, relax, underneath the awning. What do you think about the Bunker Industry 270-degree awning lights?
Nice and bright.
Yeah, this is pretty game-changing here, isn't it?
This is amazing. You just always have to have the headlamp on and like...
Yeah. This is like an instant radius of impressive light. What's your favorite part of the all-wheel drive festival?
Offroading!
Probably making new ones.
Oh, that's a good answer.
The food.
What have you guys been playing with so far this evening?
Acorns. Soccer, acorns.
Football.
Paper, plates.
Oh, but you're not wasting all of our paper plates, are you?
No, we're not. Only 6. No, 7. No, 8.
All right.
9. 6, 7.